We're here today to introduce the new stripping tool from Gastite, designed to work on the FlashShield Plus. Unlike the original FlashShield product that required two-step end prep, the FlashShield Plus requires a single-step end prep, kind of like the original Gastite Yellow did. The original tool was also two-sided because of that two-step end prep requirement. This tool also two-sided, but each side is part number specific or tube size specific. 1/2 inch on one side, 3/4 on the other. And this tool is 1 inch on one side, 1 1/4 inch on the other. So basically, each tool houses two different part numbers. You can strip 1/2 and 3/4 with this one tool. Okay, now we're going to talk about using the new stripping tool. As we mentioned earlier, each side is tube specific or part number specific. This side's 3/4 inch. We just take the flap, bend it back, lock it out of the way. This side would be 1/2 inch. We just take the flap, bend it back, and lock it out of the way. When you open up the cutter, you can see there's a dead end stop right in the middle. So we simply take the tube, go up against the dead end stop, close the tool, and spin it around the pipe. When you go to remove the tool, it won't come free because the blade is locked in the valley of the corrugation. So just simply relieve pressure on the tool and pull straight away. There you go.